Hey everyone, welcome back to my Vitamin Doctor, your health and wellness tips source. Today's video discusses a popular supplement that can help support your overall health: One-A-Day Men's Multivitamin. If you're looking for an easy way to maintain energy, boost your immune system, and support your bones, this multivitamin might be the perfect solution. Let's get into it. One-A-Day Men's Multivitamin is designed specifically for men, with a formulation that provides essential nutrients in just one tablet a day. It's packed with vitamins A, C, D, and E, along with zinc, B12, and calcium, each playing a key role in keeping your body strong and healthy. These vitamins and minerals work together to support immune health with vitamins C, D, and zinc, boost energy metabolism with B12, maintain strong bones with calcium, and vitamin D protect cells from oxidative damage with vitamin E. It's an all-in-one solution for men who want to stay on top of their health without the hassle of multiple supplements. Dosage: just one tablet per day with food. Tips for best results. To maximize the benefits of this multivitamin, pair it with a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. And don't forget to stay active, drink plenty of water, and get enough sleep, because good health is a balance of many factors, not just supplements. In summary, One-A-Day Men's Multivitamin is an easy, convenient way to support your health every day. With key nutrients that boost energy, protect your immune system, and strengthen your bones, it's a great addition to any wellness routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to My Vitamin Doctor for more health tips and product reviews. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.